What's going on, y'all? So today doing the unboxing of these Alexander McQueens. I got them on Saks. I found them on sale. Original price was $540. I ended up getting them for $200, so I couldn't resist. It was a steal in my opinion. You see size 42. This is size 9 in American. As y'all can see, I'll cover up my address. But it's a little faded. $200. Can't beat that. It came in 2 days. Alexander McQueen. And honestly, the reason why I got these because they're a little different. Like, my wife got some Alexander McQueen, different type of style, but not like this. These are the, I guess you could say, glitter edition. Show y'all up close. It's a different material though. Man, size 42. I'm gonna try them on and everything, but like I said, I got these off Saks. If you shop online or not, you can always find deals without using codes. It's all about shopping around, to be honest. I was going to wear these for a wedding, but I don't know. It is summertime, so it's a nice summertime shoe. These things fit. Throw on the right outfit. Put my little lounge pillow right there. But yeah, you wear the right outfit. I still might wear these for the wedding, but not my wedding. You know, we attended one, but these things crack. $200. You can't really beat that at all. Turn it around for y'all. See the front view. The front is a little, different. But 200. Can't beat that. Saks. Crack. And just to put you up, like these ain't gonna crease at all. As you can see, toe stop like right about where my toe crease at. So these the type of shoes that ain't gonna crease. You just gonna have to keep them clean with the white bottoms, but it's definitely a good look. Definitely.